Hello guys and welcome to this overview of PopPop AI. In this video we will be showing you some examples as we take PopPop AI for a ride. So stick around to the end to get all the features we'd like to mention. We're going to be trying two sound effects and the first will be of snoring. And now we have possibly the shortest text prompt ever. We're going to click on generate. And while we're waiting, you can see the notification that your task is queued. There are two tasks, currently one task before you, so please wait patiently. Of course, we're going to wait, and this should take a brief moment. And now after waiting for a few moments, you can see two options. It's named option 0 and option 1. And we have the option to play them both, one at a time, and if we like any of them, we can go and download the one we like. So we're going to play the first option, which is option 0. Okay, now that sounds horrible, just like a snore. So we're going to listen to the second option. That sounds milder, and depending on what you want to use it for, you can go with option 0 or option 1. To be honest, option 0 is more annoying, and you could go with that one if you're trying to create some content with that storyline. And we're going to try another text prompt to produce a sound. And now we have our second prompt. It's only one more word longer and we're going to give it a try with generate. So we're clicking on generate. Now we're going to go with the first option, snoring, and we're going to click on the download button and you have it downloaded already here. If you're downloading for the first time, you might have a prompt to share it on the collection. You can click on that and come back again and click on the download button, and then you're going to have your snoring sound in your local device. And now we're going to try another sound. This time it's going to be one more word longer compared to snoring. We have tires screeching and we're going to click on generate. As the same process, we're going to wait for a few moments and this is going to be provided. And now we have two options again. We're going to try to listen to it. Option 0. At the start, it sounds more like bees buzzing, but at the end, it sounded more like tires screeching. So if you're making your content, of course, you know what to do, like trimming, and it could be better. However, we're going to listen to the second option. Well, that sounded great. And personally, I'd like option 1 better. So in all, you can see that by simple text prompts, you can create sounds that you want to use for your content. Whether it's special effect, nature sound effect, or instrument sounds, or just human sound effects, you can do this with PopPop AI. So go ahead and give it a try and see what more you can do with it. We will be dropping a link in the description to give it a try after this video. If you like this video, please give it a like. And let us know what sounds you'd love to make in the description below. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for new AI software reviews and overviews. And we'll see you in the next one.